Okay, Richard's, there's an announced today of a delivery drone project from Coventry University Hospital to Rugby. So let's take ourselves up there. Nearest I can get to there is by going from here. Weirdly, we'll just divert a little bit to go around it. Weirdly, I've got live ADS-B traffic on, and there's a 7001 track just on the ground over here. So I'll keep an eye out now. Now I've got a bit of an interest in this area and see. It's showing it as a 747 on this, but something's happening in a building there, just outside or just in Coventry. Well, I wonder if it's university students or something mucking about. Anyway. Not a bit too far around. It's like that road there. So there's the hospital over there. We're listening live to Birmingham.
Behind the landing 737, 3 mile final via Echo 1 line up and wait behind.
And there's the landing 737 there. There it is there. It's pretty cool with live air traffic, isn't it? So that's that landing 737 she was just talking about. We want that to go away. Right, let's slow down a bit. That's me shutting down the hovering motor and going for, well, sorry, the rear motor, and I've lost myself relative to the airfield. Where we're going, it's over there on our left, isn't it? So let's left about and just fly overhead it for the purposes of exercise. I'm just interested to see which way this corridor is likely to go. I think I can see just from the map that it will fly straight out across the open countryside, go to the south of Rugby, and get in that way, I should imagine. That must be the hospital buildings. So let's put ourselves quite hard with all these extra windows in view here. Oh, I seem to recall the helipad's near this roundabout. If this is the, I wonder if that's probably where it is there. If this is the hospital, I think I'm in the right place. Right, well, that's the way. Oh, it says Tesco on there. Must be Tesco's. Must be in the wrong place. No, I think I'm about in the right place. Yeah, that's right. I found the heliport and put it on little nav map. So let's go.
Tower, good morning. UD 892 Hotel, QNH 1014 with uniform. Request push stop.
Is 892 Hotel, was that you for push and start?
Excellent, 915.
Okay, hold position, QNH 1015.
Hold position, QNH 1015, UD 892 Hotel.
9374, taxi holding point Delta 5.
Sorry, point Delta 5, right, 9374.
Channel 27 November, close to takeoff, surface wind 2109 knots.
Clear takeoff, Channel 27 November.
I wonder if the beacon was there. I've just gone over the beacon. I think this is the way I'd go. So this is my delivery corridor. Down the back of Rugby. Let's look for the tip of that big of water and turn in and come up that way. I think it's got to be it, isn't it? Got to be it.
Back to the 4.
Oh.
Say again where you are. Back to the 4, pass message.
That was someone on the ground at Birmingham, I feel.
Back to the 4, Roger, you can remaining outside of the 105 and critical areas, enter areas 24 and 25. Wait, 2 tower.
Afternoon, holding Echo 1, request enter 33, please to vacate by
92, vacate by where?
Foxtrot 1.
92, thank you, enter. Echo 1, vacate, Foxtrot 1, report vacated.
Enter for Echo 1 and we'll go, Ranger 2, thanks.
Subject 94 Golf, Sierra 1, line up and wait, runway 33. I do have a departure restriction on southbound, so it'll be about 3 minutes.
Okay, well, it's Sierra 1, line up in way 32 and copy, Subject 94 Golf.
Ranger 2.
I'm wobbling around the sky a bit, but this is the way I go. Wonder what this is here.
Ranger 2.
Ranger 2 go.
Stage calling again.
Ranger 2.
Just a report that the tug broke down there, pushing that 7-3 into hotel. Just going to go have a look now, I'll let you know.
Thanks, Roger.
Good afternoon, Ryanair 8 Alpha Romeo Stand 59er information uniform QNH 1015 requesting departure clear.
Ryanair 8 Alpha Romeo, stand by for that, call you back. Channel.
Okay, 33 Foxtrot 1.
92, thank you. Channel 27 November, report your level.
We're bouncing 3,800, 6,000, thanks. 27 November.
27 November, thank you, contact London Control 130.925, goodbye.
That little gap on the side of the dam in the village. We don't go over the village, do we?
Subject 3 Bravo Charlie, request taxi.
Subject 3 Bravo Charlie, taxi, holding point Sierra 1 for 33, QNH 1015.
QNH now 1015, steering to Sierra 1.
That's the A45. We're just going over there. We've got traffic. Oh, there is traffic in our 12 o'clock at 1900 feet.
Subject 3 Bravo Charlie.
There it goes through there. No threat. We're going to turn left away from it. Here we go. We're going left. A little bit of rain.
Thank you, after the outbound 737 taxi in stand 41 right.
After the outbound 737.
Just keep an eye on them. 16 knots of wind from the north.
Hello, Ryanair 3737.
Ryanair 3737, Birmingham Tower, good afternoon. Continue approach, surface wind 2109
Right,
knots,
let's start
traffic to
slowing
depart.
down then.
Continue, Ryanair 3737. DD892 Hotel there. Any chance back pushing up?
Stand by, one taxiing in, call you back. Subject 94 Golf, clear for takeoff, surface wind 2109 knots.
Photograph 33 Subject 94 Golf.
AD-892 Hotel, after the Ryanair's parked on behind you, 41 right, push start approved, stand 15.
After the Ryanair parked behind us on stand 41 right, push start approved, stand 15.
Must be some sort of local landmark. That's Grain Tower, or it doesn't exist.
Subject 3 Bravo Charlie, please taxi Sierra 1.
Subject 2 Bravo Charlie, A firm, taxi Sierra 1 then if you wish.
Yes, everyone, thank you. Subject 3 Bravo Charlie.
We're going to cross a railway or something here.
Ryanair 3737, clear to land, 33, surface wind 2209 knots.
Clear to land 33, Ryanair 3737.
You haven't practiced with this thing at the tell, can't you?
Grab Ranger 2.
Ranger 2.
Hello, just going to bring goes out to Taxiway Hotel if that's okay. It's going to be 5 minutes.
Thanks to Roger, so you're closing hotel.
Hey, that's correct. I just spoke with control. I think we've got an inbound shortly for 501, but if we could not use hotel, that'd be great, thanks.
Okay.
Subject 3 Bravo Charlie, ready for departure.
Subject 3 Bravo Charlie, thank you. Recontact me 118.305.
118.305, Subject 3 Bravo Charlie.
Crash now.
Ground Ryanair 8 Alpha Romeo, do you have our departure clear?
Ryanair 8 Alpha Romeo, AFM cleared to Ibiza, Admex 1 Mike departure, squawk 5231.
I think you hit that bush.
231, Ryanair 8 Alpha Romeo.
Ryanair 8 Alpha Romeo, correct.
Hello again,
I think we're
Subject 3
on the
Bravo
car
Charlie,
park,
holding
I
Sierra 1.
think.
Subject 3 Bravo Charlie, thank you. Hold Sierra 1.
Alright,
I have
let's go
restrictions
back
on
in.
southbound, so I'll try and get you away before the next inbound.
Subject 3 Bravo Charlie, hold position.
Obviously the real real aircraft to do a better job. Well, let's not fly out over the billow area. We'll do a better job than me.
Delta 4 ground, roger.
Stay out of the way of the good people of Pitchley Road and Trevor White Drive. I wonder who Trevor White was. Great Central Walk. That's off there. That's our side. That thing was on our...
SDS engineering, roger.
Good evening, Ryanair 3737, taxi Alpha 6.
Ryanair 3737, ground, taxi stand 57 right via Delta Victor.
Alpha Victor for stand 57, Ryanair 3737.
That Tesco roof was it, so let's go back to the Tesco roof and I'll do the timing on this. I know I promised I wouldn't do any more things until I had this properly autonomous.
Delta 4 ground.
Take it a bit wider this time.
Delta 4 roger, you can proceed to areas 4 and 6 on lookout, remaining outside the 105.
Ryanair 8 Alpha Romeo stand 59er, unit 1015, requesting push and start.
Ryanair 8 Alpha Romeo roger, stand 59, push back up through, face west.
Push and start approved, face west. Ryanair 8 Alpha Romeo.
Whereas that way around in the north is quicker actually doing that.
Easy Night Hotel roger, taxi hold for Echo 1.
No, because you've got to go over town.
Delta.
This must be where it's going to be. Must be. I can't see how else it can go any other way. Oh, you didn't see that. I did that on the tiny map, didn't I?
Delta 4 roger.
I was just thinking about going this way, but can't be that way.
Request ready message.
Chance 29 Victor roger, put it in for you. Listen out, if there's no update in that, you'll be able to push in about 5 minutes anyway.
Okay, well done, thanks, Janix 29 Victor. Ryanair 3737, could you confirm the stand again?
It's me up and down, so just move my hands around. That track's still on the ground. I'm going to keep an eye on it and see if it's there in that Coventry area consistently. That's very interesting. So these trials, medical delivery trials, connecting hospitals, they are Skyfarer and medical logistics.
Yeah, I think as you're aware, we've been pushed back. But the tug,
32 kilometres of airspace between University Hospital Warwick and Warwickshire Trust.
Do we need to do anything with our flight plan at all?
Hospitals in
I can delay it for
Coventry
you.
and
What I'll do
Rugby.
is I can delay it till past, and then hopefully that tug will be rectified by that point.
Okay, yeah, hopefully it won't take that long, but if you can put a slight delay in, that'd be great, thank you.
Yeah, I'll put it in there for you.
In fact, the tug is just cleared now, so are we able to start engine?
Okay, just confirm then that that's a tug detached then.
Hey, somebody, so we're now requesting engine start.
Okay then, and starts approved.
See the beacons here. Is that the beacon there?
Ground ED 890 Hotel approaching Echo 1 with
No, she's the
ED
left
890
and
Hotel,
right.
thanks, contact tower 118.305. Bye bye.
118.305, ED 890 Hotel, bye.
Where's this beacon? I suppose it's an ADF, so we probably won't see. We might see the mast, right? So we can get over there. Be in here somewhere. Let's get down in the weeds. Must be on this road, just over this road. Maybe it's been removed. These things are getting removed. There should be a mast here somewhere for the ADF. Got some buildings. Some of these buildings here somewhere. Right, let's get back on track. Slightly back on track. Right, let's think about slowing down. Now that Tesco's roof, I think, is actually.
So they've moved the tug out of the way now in hotel, so he's just started engine, should be too long now.
Major 2, Roger, thanks for that.
Right, we're a helicopter. Helicopter in a bit better control than last time. Now, where was that roof? We are just, the wind's just the right of the nose, so this is good. I think I can see a Tesco sign there. That'll do. Yeah.
We're going to put it in Tom Jet 8 Charlie November, stand 7-1, request push and start.
Roger, 8 Charlie November, Roger, after the line at the top of the cul-de-sac, taxis past, stand 7-1, push back, start approved to face west.
After Ryanair, taxis past us, we are clear to push and start, facing west, Tom Jet 8 Charlie November.
Now, Birmingham by good day, Chanix 1 to Delta Romeo, send 4 to right, Airbus 321, request departure clearance to Antalya.
That's 1 to Delta Romeo, ground cleared Antalya, UNGAP, 1 Mike, spot 4625.
UNGAP 1 Mike, on the box 4625, Chanix 1 to Delta Romeo, and we are fully ready.
That's 1 to Delta Romeo, correct, stand 4 to right, push back, start approved.
Back, start approved from 4 to right, Chanix 1 to Delta Romeo, thank you.
Delivery, good afternoon, Chanix 5 Delta.
Oh!
For clearance information uniform.
That's 5 Delta Birmingham, cleared.
We're in the building.
Admix, 1 Mike, squat 0545.
I was just thinking too late then, that Tesco is probably there in real life. Because I'm just about over where I reckon it was. Must be this building here.
That's 29 Victor Birmingham, you ready for push and start?
Can't land on him. So that's what we've been flying. Let me get rid of this. That's what I've been flying. This is where I think the Altitude Angel route will roughly be. This has been me. It's Friday. I'm going to open a beer. Have a lovely weekend wherever you are in the world. See you at 2100 GMT on Tuesday for our chat of nonsense. Cheers for now.